G'day everyone, it's Chris O. Hey, how you doing? Alright, well I'm pressing on in this bathroom. Today's Friday and soon I might knock off because I've had enough and it's Friday. So another half an hour or an hour, that'll do. Yesterday I was looking at my tiles and then I noticed the ceiling. Oh shit. I was talking to the owner and when I noticed it, he looked at me and I said, well, looks like you're painting the ceiling, aren't you? And he said, yep, looks like it. I didn't even realise I'd slopped my waterproof up there. But hey, no biggie. What's a bit of white paint? They're going to be putting in an exhaust fan and that sort of thing in here. So they might need to paint it anyway. But because there's no window, no draft, holy shit, it's hot. Ooh! Because it's about 30 degrees outside. And it's raining at night, so it's bloody muggy as, and then no breeze in here. Anyway, you get that? I'd rather be doing a bathroom than around a pool. I'm not into that anymore. Anyway, I'm going around the top, and I'll show you. I'll show you how I do it. What I like to use is not that one. What I like to use is a piece of tile. You can use your you can measure it like that, or with a tape or whatever. You know, my missus, she goes with her knuckle. So you know, like that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and about 10 knuckles. I like to use a piece of tile because then you're not looking at numbers all the time. Always allow about 4 mil, and then it just gives you a little bit of wiggle room at the top. Okay, so that's I don't know, probably a mil out that cornice to my tile. So but yeah, DIYs, you can, or tilers out there that are watching it and people go, oh shit, I wouldn't do, oh yeah, oh, nah, bugger that, I'd use a tape. Well, bloody use a tape, I don't fucking care. This is the way I do it. And it's accurate. You're not looking at numbers. Better put my phone away, or otherwise a tile will bloody land on it. Where's my spacers? Or my clips, I should say. And that's how you do it, people. It's nice and accurate. You've got a little bit of wiggle room at the top. 1.5 mil, 2 mil at the bottom with your clips. You're laughing. And you just glue it up. What I might do is, I'm nearly out of glue. I don't know if I'll mix up any more. I'll just start pre-cutting a few tiles. And there you go. Have I put in the side ones? No. Chuck that one away. It's no good. It's a bent. Slap that up there like that, because you can't slide them in. I like to slide them in from the top, but when you're doing the top you can't. So you pop them in like that. Slap that up there like that. Right, yeah, give it a good slap. And then you get your rubber hammer wherever bloody your rubber hammer is, like that, and just move that along a tiddly diddly. Oh, beautiful. Okay, people. Yeah, I've just about had enough because I'm fooling around a bit. I just did that architrave before. I got to nail it off and finish it off, but no biggie. So I'll zap across there, or I might just pre-cut them. I'll go for lunch and then I'll think about what I'm going to do. See you soon, people. This is Chris O. Stay tuned to my channel. Subscribe. You will learn heaps. See ya.